The Allied Solenoid is a device that protects your battery from over-discharge. We recommend the inclusion of the solenoid along all Allied commercial installations if you do not already have a solenoid installed in your golf cart. The solenoid comes pre-wired to make installation as quick and convenient as possible, with a ground power cable, a jumper cable, and a trigger cable already connected to the appropriate places, straight out of the package. You want to find a sturdy mounting position for the solenoid body. The cart frame is a common choice. You can mount the solenoid in any position except upside down. Make sure it is securely fastened before moving to the next steps. Remove the washer and nut from the power terminal on the side that is not pre-wired. Connect the cart harness negative cable. If you have a voltage reducer, add the negative from that device to the same stud. On top of these cables, add your washer, locking washer, and nut back to the stud. Make sure they're bolted in place tightly. The solenoid negative and charger negative connect to the negative or black port on the battery. Slip the included bolt through the washer and ring terminals, then tighten till secure. The cart positive, charger positive, and solenoid positive all connect to the positive or red port on the battery. If you have a voltage reducer, the positive cable from that should also be installed to the positive terminal on the battery as well. Finally, you want to make sure that all connection points on the battery and on the solenoid are firmly secure and tightened. Loose connections can affect performance. Take note that the solenoid can make an occasional clicking noise when the cart is turned on, running, or charging. This is normal behavior and should not be cause for concern. Thanks for choosing Allied Battery.